Hi, I'm Vindhya Malik calling from Delhi.
Yes, Vindhya.
This question is to Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi.
Yes.
I wanted to put this case before her that this is with regard to a case filed against my brother and my family, which included sections such as 498, 307 and 3/4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act and various other sections related to causing grievous injury. Now, this case was filed after 8 months of when the lower court in Delhi granted divorce to him. And this case was, this is a false complaint, and we had surrendered in the SSP office in Meerut. And still there has been a protest petition filed by the other party, and still there's a case going on for about 2 years now. So in that case, I wanted to ask Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi whether there is an option for the man also to actually ask for any compensation, because there's always maintenance and other compensations such as
I think yes, Vindhya, we've got your question.
Girls can ask for.
Yes, Meenakshi.
You see, in a case like this, if a divorce has already been granted on certain terms and all, and somebody is misusing law to this extent and making them run around for 498 etc. In this case, they should approach the High Court, seek quashing on this ground itself, and also ask for compensation. They can go in writ jurisdiction for quashing instead of 482, and writ jurisdiction itself the compensation can be granted because of false and fabrication, and again state machinery is being used to achieve illegal ends, or there is an other legal option which is defamation and perjury. They can pursue those options also.
Right.
And okay, you see there are cases. I am not.
We'll be coming to that, Meenakshi. I'm so
I'm not
sorry,
disagreeing.
I have to interrupt
I'm
you
just
there,
not disagreeing there.
because right now time for another break here in Gender Discourse. People, don't go anywhere, as we'll be back in just a moment. Welcome back. You're watching Gender Discourse, and today we are talking about the misuse of dowry laws. Well, right now we are joined by Atit on the phone. So Atit, I hope I have got your name correct over there, and if you can hear me, what's your question?
Hello.
Yes.
Just a minute. I'm Atit Rajpara calling from Gujarat.
Yes, Atit, what's your question?
Yeah, actually, basically, I'm a victim of 498A, and mine was the 5 years of marriage.
Right.
On the 3rd year of marriage, we found that my wife, because of some physical abnormality in her, we can't have the baby.
Right.
So that time I told her and her parents and my parents that we don't want baby. We are happy with our life, and we are staying alone in Pune. And after going back to Pune, she was very unhappy about she cannot have the child because that was her dream in marriage. So I started her test tube baby treatment at her father's place.
Yeah.
Because we are staying alone in Pune, so I cannot complete my office and the medical treatment also.
Yes, true, yes.
So I was giving all the money to doctor, and she was at her parents' place.
Yeah.
And during the treatment, I found out that she was not following the treatment properly. Like me, doctor has said you need to take 2 tablets 3 times, and she was taking only 1 tablet 3 times.
Right.
So just I shouted on her, why you are doing this? It is wastage of my money. So her father threw the money on my face and told me, you took your money back and don't talk to my daughter at all. So I said, this is not the way to talk to your son-in-law. I am also IT guy. I am also earning a handsome amount. And I am caring for her. I am legal because
please, in short, Atit, you'll have to be very short and brief here. Yes, tell me what your question is.
Yeah, so they filed the 498 on me the same day.
Yeah.
Within the morning we had some discussion on this, and around 10:30, and they filed the 498 at 11:30, and police has arrested my parents at 2:30. There is no investigation at all.
Okay. Yes, so no investigation at all. So Meenakshi, I'm sure there could be a number of cases like that. So how do you react?
No, very few cases like that. Very few cases, because mostly even in police, and I'm speaking from my experience with Delhi courts, Pune and Mumbai, and even Nagpur for that matter, couple of matters that you're appearing in other states as well. the police does not arrest immediately. When a complaint goes to them, as a matter of routine, in fact, cases where arrest should be made immediately, where you see the bruise marks, the blood flowing out and everything, arrest should be made immediately. Police will not arrest. And police will send the matter to Crime Against Women Cell, where they would try, and they, in Delhi at least, they have some trained mediators and they have trained people from legal aid and also from mediation cell, where at CAW cell itself the counseling is given. Parties are given a chance to assess their whereabouts, whether they want to continue with the marriage or they want to separate. They separate on what terms, and if they want to continue, then what are the terms of continuation of marriage. Immediate arrest within couple of hours is something absolutely unheard of. And this case,
example.
Okay, I'm sure they will come back. No, she did say that there are examples like that, but few.
There are examples, and there are people who can arm twist the system and work around it. I'm not disputing that. Then it is for people who suffer in this fashion to approach the appropriate courts for appropriate remedies.
Right. Well, at this time, let me bring in the reactions of some people whom we happen to speak to regarding their opinion on the misuse of the dowry laws. This is what they had to say. Please take a look.
498A को normally ladies ने उसको एक actually it's more of a profession which has they have started taking it as a profession, harassing the in-laws without any logical reason, and police support them like anything. I mean, though the statistics speak against the Dowry Act, but I still feel that this act does give women who are actually troubled by their by their family, it gives them a power. So I don't feel it should be changed or abolished.
People say that it's been misused, and it's been misused against their own husbands at times, but I think that's something that they just want to use against women.
डॉरी एक्ट तो 90% तो सब फॉल्स है पूरा, क्योंकि ये ना सब लेडीज जरा ऐसा हस्बैंड वाइफ में तो होते चलता रहता है, परिवार में रहते हैं तो चलते रहता है, तो ये मिसयूज ज्यादा होता है इसका.
डॉरी एक्ट डेफिनेटली मिसयूज होने लगा है आजकल, और डेफिनेटली अगर ये मिसयूज हो रहा है और जो मिसयूज कर रहे हैं उनको पनिशमेंट मिलना ही चाहिए.
सर्टनली जो मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज में तो मिसयूज ही हो रहा है डाउरी का, क्योंकि गांव में भी डाउरी होती है और अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज्यादा होता है. लेकिन डाउरी में जो पंचायत सिस्टम है थोड़ा बहुत, और वो भी 1% जो एजुकेटेड है गांव के और वे बाहर सेटल हो जाते हैं, उन्हीं के केस बनते हैं. अदरवाइज तो ऐसा कुछ गांव में देखने को नहीं मिलता. तो शहरों में इसका टोटली मिसयूज हो रहा है. इसमें चेंजेस लाया जाए तो ज्यादा बेटर है कि जो डाउरी दी जाती है उसकी लिस्ट इमीडिएटली कंसर्न एसएचओ को दे दी जाए.
कि इस चीज का गलत यूज हुआ है और इस वजह से कई लोग आत्महत्याएं भी कर रहे हैं. इसकी वजह से किया है उन्होंने, और चूंकि ये ऐसा है कि टोटली लेडीज को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए किया गया था, लेकिन ये चीजें लड़कियां जो है इस चीज को गलत वे में ले रही हैं और अब वो इसकी आड़ में लड़कों को शोषित कर रहे हैं.
डाउरी से संबंधित केस में अच्छे परिणाम भी आ रहे हैं और बुरे भी आ रहे हैं. अच्छे परिणाम इस सेंस में आ रहे हैं कि औरतों को, महिलाओं को एक सुरक्षा का आधार मिला है कि कानून में कहीं ना कहीं जाके उनकी बात सुनी जाएगी. लेकिन कई मायनों में, कई केस में ये भी देखने में आ रहा है कि महिलाओं के परिवार वाले इसका दुरुपयोग करने में महिलाओं का साथ देते हैं और कहीं कहीं परिवार बिखरने की स्थिति में भी आ जाते हैं.